What's up, y'all? Sorry. The day I brought this in, we were out snowcatting and all my batteries were dead and I never thought of filming with my phone. But we're kind of jumping ahead. I've already got the seats out. Got the mini boat back in the shop. What we're doing is making more legroom. We're having some people, some of the taller people, knees hit on the dash. What we've done here is we've gone inside. You can see my fancy drawings on there. We've marked her all out. I have to have this here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and cut this little chunk out, and hopefully it'll give me enough that I can slide the seats back. So we'll get this piece out, throw it over there on the plasma, lop it out quick, and see what it looks like. Don't mind my crude cuts here, but now you see we've gained this much room, maybe even a little bit more by the time. We'll have to see. I'll unbolt the seats after this, but we're gonna find a filler piece for in here, across here. We'll bend all these in. Then we'll have to build two side pieces and a small triangle piece, but I think I got something in mind to go across there, keep it nice and rigid. Like a glove. Well, there she is back in place. You can see we gained quite a bit of room. Probably 3, close to 4 inches on the bottom. We'll see how that plays out here, but we're gonna build a panel. It's kind of what you call a trapezoid or something. And then we'll build a small triangle piece at the bottom. Oh, I'm fighting it. Between the glue of the street signs, because yes, I use a lot of decommissioned street signs. Some of it is blowing up on me a little bit. But anyhow, I'm at that point now. I've got a template. Just flip it over one side to the other. And I'll go find something now to... we got to break them at kind of a funny angle. So I marked it on the back side because I got to put it in the brake from the back side that way. Not bad. I'll throw this one in the brake and then weld her up. Well, there you have it. We'll clean up a couple little nubs like that and down there and put a coat of rocker guard on her. Next is pull the seats out. We're going to take the boat outside for a video, which you might have already seen depending on what order this goes in. And that's that. Don't think we could have gained much more room in there. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.